Hi! So we are here right now at Botanical Garden sa Baguio. This is our third time here, pero maraming changes ang naganap. So hindi siya nakakapagod at syempre, flowers are always beautiful. Ayan, nagsastart na mag-on yung mga lights. Okay, and ang changes dito is that for adults, ang entrance fee is 100 pesos for senior citizen and PWD. The entrance is 80 pesos and 12 years old and below it's 25 pesos. Okay, so Johnny is requesting a photo op with the elephants. Ano ang theme dito? Thai Bak Park? Okay, let's go to Korea muna. Okay, so this area will lead to Canada Garden Picnic Area and Thailand Friendship Park. Hey gay, let's go to Thailand and Canada. What is that, my son? Wow, ang ganda, no? Okay, now we will go to... Oh, I see. Oh, yeah. Oh, sa saan tayo iikot? There's a tunnel. Where's this leading? Let's find out. This one is leading to somewhere. Okay, more views here. Isn't that nice and amazing? Oh. Oh, bed of flowers. And more bed of flowers. Yay. Ang bango. Ang bango, Beno. Ano, amoy ba yun ng pine? It smells good. Wow, there's plenty of flowers. Ay, ito yung gusto ko. Kaso lang walang mag-aalaga. Ah, habanero ang tawag. Tapos Taiwan Sili Labuyo.
You can get this and this for cooking.
Yeah,
Ito,
it's for cook. Tapos ito, ano to, oh. Yan, you can, di ba yan yung dine-decorate sa mga ano? Yung, pag nagpe-plating. Ayan o, yung mga rose, yung maliit pa sila, pero ang dami ng bulaklak. Okay, this is Thailand theme. There's elefante. Okay, picture time. Okay, we're going down. Hinahanap namin ang way papuntang Thailand. Ay, wait lang. Yun. Something nice. Wow, it's like sunflower pero hindi sunflower. It's so nice. It's like sunflower. Pero hindi sunflower. They have a nice restroom. Let's see if it's also nice inside.
You're becoming into the
Diba?
Sala family, where they only care about the restroom.
Okay. So, there is a maintenance fee. Do you want to pee, my boy? No, you don't want. I want. This is the view outside. Yung nakikita mo yung nature pag CR mo. O, diba? Inilawan na nila. Ang ganda. Okay, guys. So, we're heading out. And it's 6 o'clock. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like our short video. Till next time. Bye.